How to delete all bookmarks on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Visnith, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete all bookmarks on iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete all the bookmarks on iPhone, simply go ahead and open up your Safari. So in my case, you can see here right on the screen Safari. You can go ahead and open it up. Once you open it up, you should get an interface somewhat like this. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find the bookmark icon. You can see the little book icon, which is the bookmark icon. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll have three different options. You can see the bookmarks option, you can see the reading list, and you can see history. So what you want to do is you want to stay on the bookmarks option. You'll find all your bookmarks saved here. In my case, I only have one. In order to remove it or delete it, you can simply tap on edit option at the bottom right corner, and then you can see the minus icon. You can tap on it, and then you can tap on delete. You can do so similarly for any other bookmarks that is saved as well, and then simply tap on done at the bottom of your screen. So this is how you can easily delete bookmarks on iPhone. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.